National Coffee Day, one company celebrating what they say is a program 9 months in the making. Cap KVU's Ellie Nakamoto-White spoke with one of the founders of Black Rock Coffee Bar about their new locations here in the Tri-Cities.
Does this look familiar? What was known as Roasters is now Black Rock Coffee, a chain started in Oregon in 2008.
Black Rock is founded on coffee, community, and connection. So at the core of who we are, we've always wanted to serve great coffee.
The company buying Roasters back in April.
We wanted to keep the employee base and we wanted to keep the customer base happy. So to keep all the employees on board and make the transition easy was like a huge priority in what we do.
Some fan favorite items are still the same, like the Rocket. But now the energy drink is called Fuel.
The goal is to not only fuel people's story through caffeine, but fuel their day and really be that conduit.
If you have Roasters point rewards attached to your phone number, you can transfer them to Black Rock.
Black Rock really likes to be involved in every community that we have a store in. We serve coffee and we love that portion of it, but at the end of the day, we're a people company.
Employees follow the 4 G's: growth, gratitude, grit, and grace. And officials say they're excited to show that to the Tri-Cities.
If we can put that little piece of positivity back in the community, that's why we're here.
In Kennewick, Ellie Nakamoto-White, Cap KVU Local News.
Now, officials say they are planning to continue converting stores to Black Rock, and they hope to be finished by December.